we will discuss some of the physics question of kinematics which are graph based. So question 1, the acceleration of moving body can be found from. So the basic concept I will try to solve. So velocity is equal to x upon time, displacement upon time. Okay, and acceleration is equal to velocity upon time. So first option is area under velocity vt graph. So it can be written as vt equal to x. So area under velocity time graph is displacement. So this option will be one. Area under distance time graph. So there is no formula. Let's see third option. Slope of the velocity time graph. So slope of the velocity time graph. This is the slope. So it is acceleration. So it is asking acceleration. So this answer will be correct. Slope of the distance time graph will give velocity. Suppose let me explain this v by t. So v is this, t. This slope is acceleration. Third option is correct. Let's see second question. A particle start from rest. So u equal to 0. Its acceleration versus time graph is shown in the figure. This is the figure. The maximum speed of the particle will be. Suppose acceleration is from the graph, it is decreasing and it is positive. Acceleration is decreasing and positive. So maximum speed we have to find. So maximum speed will be when acceleration becomes 0. So acceleration when it is becoming 0 at t is equal to 11 seconds. Okay. So velocity is equal to acceleration is equal to dv by dt. So a into dt is equal to dv. Okay. So acceleration is changing. So that's why we are doing integration. So at 0 to, suppose in this question a is function of t. So 0, it starts from there. So velocity will be 0 and some velocity will be there. Okay, so it means area under the AT curve. So area under the AT curve is this one. What is this area? Half triangle area, 10 into 11. So 110 on 2, that is 55 meter per second. It will be the maximum velocity. Let's see question number 3. The variation of the velocity of particle with time moving along a straight line is illustrated in the figure. So velocity or time ka graph it has been given. The distance traveled by the particle in 4 seconds. So distance is equal to vt from previous from formula we know. So area under the curve of vt graph will tell about the displacement. So it is asking distance, not displacement. So we have to find individually. Suppose what is this area? Height is, base is this one. Height is 20. So 10. This area is 10. This will be the rectangle. So 20 in this is 1 and this is 20. So area of rectangle will be 20 into 1. So 20. Okay. Suppose this is trapezium. We will find trapezium. So sum of parallel side. This is 10 plus 20 into height is, this is height 1. So 30. So you will solve, simplify that, it will come 15. And this will be the rectangle. So this is 10. This is 1. 10 into 1. 10. So this is individual displacement. What it was asking distance. So we will add this 10 plus 20 plus 15 plus 10. So 10, 10, 20, 40, or 55. This will be the answer. Question 4. The displacement of the particle as a function of time is shown. So displacement as a function of time it is shown. ठीक है. So dx by dt. This is velocity. Its slope will give velocity. ठीक है. So slope is decreasing. So let's see the option. The particle starts with the certain velocity. Let's see. This slope is has some value. So there should be a some velocity. This is correct. But the motion is retarded. Retarded means x velocity is decreasing. Slope is decreasing. This is also correct. And finally, the particle stop. Let's see that the displacement here from here to here is no changes, so it stops with time. It is not changing, so this option will be correct. Why this option is wrong? The velocity of the particle is constant throughout. No, because it is slope is changing. This option will be correct. The acceleration of the particle is constant. uh, Velocity is decreasing. Okay, so velocity is decreasing means the acceleration may be constant or not constant. We cannot say anything about it. The particle is formed and then accelerating finally with another. No, this option is wrong. Option 1 will be correct. Let's see the question number 5. The graph between the displacement and time for a particle moving in a straight line is shown in the figure. Okay, so we will solve this as a individually. So here display dx by dt, what it gives? Velocity. Oh, let's see. So velocity is changing and it is positive. Slope is positive. Mm, so what is it is asking? Oh, okay. During the interval OA, AB, BC, the acceleration of the particle. It is asking about the acceleration. Okay. So in OA, suppose here OA velocity is increasing. Let me see. Velocity is decreasing. You will see that slope is decreasing. Okay. Here it is velocity velocity is 0. Dx by dt is 0. Okay. BC velocity is increasing. Velocity is increasing. Okay, CD slope is constant. So velocity slope is so V is constant. Okay. So let's see the option. So the acceleration of the particle we have to find. Okay. So velocity is decreasing means acceleration will be negative. Okay. Velocity is constant means velocity is 0, then acceleration will be 0. Velocity is increasing means acceleration will be positive. Velocity is constant means acceleration will be 0. Okay, so let's find what is the option. Negative 0, positive 0. Second option will be correct. Let's see question number 6. The VT graph is given in this question. Okay, maximum acceleration we have to find. So maximum acceleration is where velocity dv by dt is acceleration. So maximum acceleration is when the VT graph slope is 0. So maximum or minima, this maximum or minima. Okay. So where it is here at t equal to 40 second. So maximum acceleration we have to find. Okay, so this VT graph will be show the acceleration. So this here This one is maximum acceleration. Okay. So in 10 seconds, it changed the velocity from 20 meter per second to 80 meter per second. Okay. So acceleration will be dv by dt. So 80 minus 20 upon that 10 second. So 60 upon 10 equal to 6 meter. Oh, centimeter degree. Centimeter per second square. Okay. So this will be the answer. Let's see question number 7. Thus displacement versus time graph. Displacement versus time graph is in a straight line. Straight line में move कर रही है. Okay. Shown which of the following represent a motion where no force. No force means F is equal to ma. So acceleration 0. Acceleration 0 कहाँ पर होगा? ठीक है. So here speed is increasing. Start from the rest. Speed is dx by dt. V some v is there. Okay. Here also velocity is suppose decreasing and then increasing. Here so acceleration is d. We have to when no force is extended, any acceleration is equal to 0. So acceleration is dv by dt. Okay. So dv by dt should be a 0. So it means velocity should be a constant. So velocity is where velocity is constant. So velocity constant means dx by dt should be uh, constant. Okay. So, slope should. So x by t ka slope in this part is constant. So CD will be the answer. Question number 8. Position time graph of the free falling object. Okay, suppose from here it is falling. So from the equation we know that y is equal to ut plus half at square. So free falling is, so a will be a is equal to minus g because it is moving downwards. Suppose free falling this is 0. Okay. So y is equal to minus half gt square. So what is this equation? This is equation of parabola. So parabola is equal to a upon x square. So this is the parabolic. Why it is not straight line? Because straight line is equal to, straight line equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Circular equation is x upon x square upon a square plus y square upon p is equal to r. ठीक है. And what is the elliptical? X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to yeah, equal to 1. Okay, so option 1 is correct. Let's see the question number 9. So xt graph is given. Okay, undergoing one dimension motion, one dimension move कर रहा है. What is the velocity of the particle at t is equal to 0 second or t is equal to 20 second? T is equal to 20 second. So what is the velocity? So velocity is continuously increasing. So at this point of the time it is decreasing, and from there it is constant. Okay, so it become rest, so velocity will be 0. Question number 10. The figure show the velocity time graph. Velocity time graph बता रहा है. Acceleration in the interval t is equal to 0 to 2a. So dxy, oh, acceleration is equal to dv by dt. Okay, the slope of dv by dt. So this is constantly increasing. So the figure will time in the time acceleration. So slope is increasing. So and it is changing. So variable and increasing with time. So in this video we have solved the 10 question. If you have any doubt or not able to understand any concept, please comment in the video.